Hello everybody, this is week 3 of Rachel's mind-body exploration practice. Yay, you made it to week 3! And it is day 1, 2, or 3. Today we will be exploring the different halves of our body, or body half. So to begin, lie on your back in the shape of a large X. Your arms to be away from your sides and your legs apart. Allow your whole body to be fully supported by the floor and breathe into every cell of your being. Then allow your breath to enliven mainly the right side of your body, including your arm and leg. As your breath fills into your right side, in your mind's eye, allow yourself to see that side flooding with color. What color is it? Trace the color all the way from the tips of your right toes, through your right leg, your right knee, your pelvis, through your waist and chest area to your right shoulder joint, through your whole arm, and out your right fingertips. Let your whole right side vibrate with intense color, whether that color is dark or light, pastel or brilliant. Experiment with pressing into the floor with the whole right side of your body, and in doing so, intensifying the color on that side. As you press into the floor, confirm the connections through that whole side of your body and sense the stability of those connections. As the color of that stability intensifies, let the limbs of your left side begin to move, doing whatever movement they want to do. Continue to give your attention to the color and connections on your right side. By attending to your stability, you make more mobility possible on the other side. When you've explored this stability and movement fully, rest. Breathe again into your whole body, filling every cell with energy. Now begin to breathe into your left side. Continue and let your left side flood with color in your mind's eye, probably a different color from your right side. What color is it? Trace the color all the way from the tips of your left toes, through your left leg, your left knee, your pelvis, through your waist and chest area, to your left shoulder joint, through your whole arm, and out your left fingertips. Explore your left side as your stable side, intensifying the color, like turning on the light, brightening that side by pushing down into the floor, connecting for stability. As you sense the stability, let your right side become more mobile. Now you have two colors, one intensifying for stability, the other brightening for mobility. Keep moving and sensing with this side for a while. Then continue doing movement on either side, as one side does one thing and the other side does something else. Play with the two colors you have, noticing whether you tend to invest in the color of the mobile side or the color of the stable side. You can even sit up and move around for more experimentation. For the next part of this exercise, return to lying on your back in your X shape, sensing the earth with the whole back surface of your torso. Turn your head to the left and look at your left hand, way out there at the end of your extended arm. Let your left leg be extended long, straight down from your hip, so that your whole left side is lengthened and extended, including the left side of your spine. Your whole right side, on the other hand, will be flexing to the right, bending your right elbow in and right knee up, or up towards your arm, trying to remain in contact with the floor. Your spine will be slightly curved on the right side, and your right elbow and knee will be coming toward each other as the limbs flex inward. Imagine a string attached to your right elbow and right knee. The string suddenly starts to become shorter and shorter while your arm and leg are still relaxed, but they simply start to move closer and closer together. Enjoy the feeling of being flat on the floor. Now switch to the other side by initiating with your eyes and head. Let your head roll around its axis, keeping its back surface in contact with the floor. So don't pick it up to turn your head. Your head initiates the change by rotating to the right. Your whole right side will begin to extend, and your whole left side will begin to flex. So your right arm and leg will be reaching out, while your left elbow and left knee will pull into each other. Only bend and reach as much as your body is able. If you can only handle small movement, that's fine. Simply focus on the pull of energy out of your stable side, then switch your focus and stability to the other side. If your body can handle more movement, you may want to experiment with its range. Develop a rhythmic alteration of sides, and you will notice that the movement seems to happen almost automatically. While one is reaching out, the other is pulling in, and vice versa. It is important in this movement to experience a sense of flatness. Keep your torso flat to the ground with the back of your pelvis and chest on the floor. Do not twist. Unless you stay flat, it will be difficult to experience the midline which divides right side from left side. If desired, you can attempt this movement on your tummy for more exploration. Keep your rhythm up for a while, using both sides. Then when you finish your exploration, rest. Okay, this is the end of our exploration for today. What we've been exploring throughout these exercises is a bit harder to focus on during the day, but if you are ever trying to reach for something on your bedside table at night when it's dark and the object is just out of reach, then you can find this connection. It is also represented when rock climbing or climbing a ladder. If you were not the one climbing it, notice the person that is and how half of their body pushes up and stretches while the other half is pulled in underneath them. And if you are the one climbing the ladder, notice how this action feels in your own body.